Hi everyone, in this video we are going to be solving a physics problem on momentum, and it states a truck of mass 500 kg moving at 4 meters per second collides with another truck of mass 1500 kg moving in the same direction at 2 meters per second. What is their common velocity just after the collision if they move together? Now we have solution. And since this problem is on momentum, we have that momentum is equal to mv. To calculate the velocity here, we have v to be equal to p over m. And now I can state that p is the summation of all the momentum in the system divided by all the mass in the system also. So that gives me v is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2 all divided by m1 plus m2. Now we know that m1 here is the first mass given as 500 kg, and v1 here is 4 meters per second. Also m2 here is 1500 kg, then v2 is given here as 2 meters per second. So imputing all these values here, I'll have that my common velocity v is 500 kg here multiplied by 4 plus 1500 kg here multiplied by 2 all divided by 500 plus 1500 kg here, and this will give me here 2000 plus 3000 all divided by 2000, and this is equal to 5000 divided by 2000. This is the same thing as common velocity being equal to 5/2 meters per second.